Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for Gemstone business. Suppose I'm having a gem store, and to promote this business, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads for this business, automatically the details of that same lead should be added in my Google Sheets. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to integrate both these applications, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now here we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Google Sheets in our action. So we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically add the leads for Gemstone business in Google Sheets. So let's suppose I'm having a gem store for which I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated for my gem store, automatically all the details of that lead should be added in my Google Sheets, so that I could create a record of all the leads without much efforts. Okay, for creating this automation, we will first have to connect our Facebook lead ads with Google Sheets, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by tapping this URL pabbly.com/connect. Once we will reach here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user like me, you can also click on sign in directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And trust me, it is not going to take more than 2 minutes. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Okay, so because I'm already an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. So this is the all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And as we have done that, it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here on the dashboard, we can find all of our workflows, and we can also create folders here to save the workflows. Okay, so as you can find, I have two folders here. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, by creating folders, you can save your workflows accordingly. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. Let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for Gemstone business. After giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So from the drop down, I'm going to select this test integrations folder. Now let's click on connect. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two concepts on which the automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Let's suppose we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Google Sheets in our action. And we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads for our gem store, automatically the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and with that response, automatically the details should be added in Google Sheets. Here we can find that our action is following what the trigger commands, because when the lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, only then the details are added in Google Sheets, otherwise not. Okay. Now, after understanding this concept, let's start creating the workflow step by step. First of all, we will select our trigger application over here, and that is Facebook lead ads. Let's select it. The next is the trigger event. So trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start or trigger. So we will select this new lead instant as our trigger event, because we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated, instantly the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and with that response, automatically the workflow should get triggered. We will click on connect. And from the given options, I'm going to select this add new connection in order to build a new connection with my Facebook lead ads account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now we will have to connect with Facebook lead ads. And with this, our authorization has become successful. Okay, we can find that because I was already logged into my Facebook account, the authorization has become successful very easily, and now my Facebook lead ads is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So after building the connection, we will move further. The next thing, it is asking us to select the page as well as the lead gen form associated with the page. In order to understand this, first of all, I'm going to take you towards my Facebook account, and on this account, I'm running a page with the name as the Gemstone for my business. And I've also created a lead gen form for this particular page to promote my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. And now I want that as soon as a person is going to submit that form along with all the details, automatically the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. And for doing that, here we need to select the page. So the name of my page is the Gemstone. I will simply select it, the Gemstone. Okay. The next we have to select is the lead gen form. So I have two forms over here. I want to select this contact form, as with the help of this contact form, I want to capture the response of the Facebook leads. Okay, now we will click on the save and send test request button. And we can find that it is showing waiting for webhook response. That means now we have to do a test submission by submitting the form which is given over here. Okay, so for doing that, I'm going to take you towards Meta for developers, and here we need to go towards more option. Under this, we can find the option of tools. Let's select it, and it has taken us towards developer tools. Now here under other developer tools, we can find the option of lead ads RTO debug tool. Let me select it. And it has now taken us towards lead ads testing tool. So with the help of this lead ads testing tool, we are going to test our integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, so that we can test that whether the response is being captured in Pabbly Connect or not. So because I'm not running any live campaign for my business currently on my Facebook page, therefore I could not send the response of a real lead. So here I'm going to test the integration with the help of this testing tool. I will simply select my page as well as the form, and as soon as I will submit the form over here, automatically the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. In the same manner, you can test your integration also, but when you will be running a live campaign, then you will be able to send the response of a real lead as soon as it will be generated towards Pabbly Connect. Okay, now let me select the page over here. So the name of my page is the Gemstone. I will select it, and the contact form is already selected. So we will click on this preview form button in order to open the new form, but it is given that you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So first of all, let us delete the existing lead if there is any. Let's click on this delete lead button, and the lead is deleted. Now we will refresh the page. And now once again, I'm going to select my Facebook page as well as the form. So this is very important step. Once you will delete your existing lead, you also have to refresh the page. And once again, then you have to select your page as well as the form so that a new form could be open in front of you. So let us preview the form. This is basically a contact form, and with the help of this form, I want to connect with my leads. So as soon as a person is going to enter the details in this form and submit it, the response will be automatically captured in Pabbly Connect. And with the help of this, I will be able to capture all the details of my Facebook leads, and I will be able to add them in my Google Sheet so that I could create a record. In this way, I will be able to create a record of all my leads with all the details without much efforts. Okay, here I'm going to submit the form with the dummy details. Let me start with the email. So let's say here the email will be dummyuser56@pabblytudes.com. Okay, just a random email. Here I'm going to enter the full name, dummy user, and at last the random phone number. So now after entering all the details, let me click on next, and here we will submit the form. So as soon as we have submitted the form, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we can find that we have received a response. In the response, we have received all the details, email, full name, as well as the phone number, all the exact details which we have entered in the form. This means that our integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successful. And now whenever a new lead will be generated for our Gemstone from Facebook lead ads, automatically the response of that lead will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now by using this response, we will move forward. We want to add all the details which we have received in Google Sheets. So let's connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. For that, let's move towards our action step, and in our action application, we are going to select Google Sheets. So let me select it. The next thing is the action event. So here our action event will be add new row, because we want to add all the details of our Facebook leads in a form of a new row. Okay, so let us click on this connect button. And here from the given options, I'm going to select existing connection only because I've already built the connection with my Google Sheets. If you want to create a new connection, then you have to click on this add new connection button, and then you have to click on this sign in with Google. Okay, now let me click on save. And with this, our Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. And here we need to enter the details in these fields in order to add the details in Google Sheet. First of all, it is asking us to select the spreadsheet. So let me take you towards my Google Sheets. So this is the spreadsheet which I have prepared with the name as the Gemstone leads. It contains 3 columns, A, B, and C. Column A contains name, column B contains email, and column C contains phone number. Okay, so it will contain all the details of my Facebook leads for my Gemstone. Okay, so as soon as we are going to connect this spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect, all the details will be automatically added here in the form of new row. We are using sheet 1. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we will select the spreadsheet with the name as the Gemstone. So this is the spreadsheet, the Gemstone leads, and the sheet is already selected as sheet 1. Now the next we have to enter all the details related to the leads, name, email, as well as the phone number. We have already received all these details from our earlier response. We will one by one map all the details over here in these fields. So what is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given, and here are all the details. So we want to map the name which is given over here. So let's select it, and it will be mapped. So now when we have mapped this name, it has become dynamic, and now it is going to change with each and every response response. So whenever a new Facebook lead will be generated, automatically here in the place of this dummy user, a new name of that new Facebook lead will come here. But in case if we will enter it manually by copy and pasting, then it will become static and then it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, in order to automate the entire process, we use mapping. Okay, so that whenever a new lead will be generated, automatically without any manual efforts, the details will be keep on adding in our Google Sheets. Okay. Now, in the same manner, we will map the email also and at last the phone number. So this is the phone number. Done. We have mapped all these details successfully. Let's click on Save and Send Test Request button. And we have received the response. So this means that the data is added in Google Sheets. Let's go and check. And yes, we can find that here our data is added. Name is added in the name column, the email is added in email column and the same as phone number. So this means that our workflow is perfectly successful and we have built a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets successfully. So let's move towards Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in this workflow. So we have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook lead ads and in action, we have taken Google Sheets. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated for our Gemstone business from Facebook lead ads, automatically all the details of that lead will be added in our Google Sheets. In this way, by following the same steps, you can very easily create this automation and it will enable you to automatically create a record of all your Facebook leads for your Gemstone business. And with the help of the record, you can further nurture your leads by adding them into your CRM, by connecting them on WhatsApp or sending them emails. Okay, so this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.